Struggling to find winning products on Amazon? Use JungleScout's Opportunity Finder to help you find products to launch. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you all of JungleScout's tools that they offer. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's JungleScout's Opportunity Finder tool. If you don't know JungleScout, they specialize in Amazon to make your life easier selling on Amazon, and this product is to find profitable product niches. Instantly discover opportunities by searching for high demand and low competition keywords. You can also check for pricing of JungleScout. If you just go to the pricing tab, they do have a 7-day money back guarantee. So if you do buy the product within 5 days, I recommend to reach out to them. I've done this before, and then say, hey, I don't like the product, please give me my refund, and then they'll refund all your money. That's a great way to start if you're starting out, to test all of the tools, right? And then if you want to, you can come back and purchase and not do that 7-day. But anyway, here's the Opportunity Finder tool right here. And then you can search from the United States. They have a couple different other countries that you can search in, and then what categories you want to sell in. So let's say we want to sell in the baby category. And now I also have filters right here, and you can say, okay, I want to find something in the baby category. I want to sell something in the baby category that has low competition. So now it's doing low competition, and I want it to have at least a minimum of 500 units sold per month. And you can kind of put in more stuff if it's seasonality, special keywords, exclude top brands. I have that checked, and you're going to click search. And then it's going to pull out a lot of data, a lot of interesting things. And this is to help you get your creative juices flowing on what products maybe you should be looking into, or ideas on helping you launch a product in the baby category. So we've got different products here. I'm trying to look at the average units sold. This is pretty crazy. And right off the bat, I found something unique. It's a second trimester pregnancy gift box. Never heard of that. They've got 2,000 units sold per month. And as you know, women get pregnant all the time. So this is, I don't know if there's a certain, if it's a seasonality product, but you can kind of look into this and then you can see how much money they're making. So look, we've got one that only has 4 reviews. Let's turn on JungleScout's Chrome extension and see how much money they're making per month. Okay, so a huge benefit of JungleScout is their Chrome extension. It does slow down your computer, but if you already have a pretty decently fast computer, it doesn't do anything. But anyway, it shows you their monthly revenue. It's not always 100% accurate, but it's pretty close. Sometimes you can just do the numbers 800 times 49. You know, it's around $35,000 a month they're making on this one right here, and that's the one that we were looking at. This one only has 4 reviews, and honestly, the pictures don't look that good, and they're making $3,000 a month, maybe $4,000 a month. Another brand new product. This one actually does look good, making $4,000 a month, $5,000 a month. Of course, Burt's Bees is making $1 million a month. So maybe you could remake something like this. You got a special pillow, right? So again, this is a 57 reviews, 26,000 a month. So this looks like it's the price range. If we look at the other products right here, they're a lot higher in price. And it looks like when people want to gift these items, they want something that's below $30 to gift. So if you can kind of have something that's decent, you can make a significant amount of money on this baby little gift basket. So it's a huge opportunity here. And surprisingly, there's not that much competition. Yeah, this one's making $16,000 a month. Wow. So bump boxes. This one looks terrible. It looks like it's just a water bottle and some other random pieces of paper, and they're selling it for 50 bucks a pop. Crazy, right? So this opportunity tool is really nice. So we did something in the baby category. Now we can always change the search, change the dynamic, and then do a different category. Let's do, I kind of like outdoors stuff. Sports is going to be a little bit more difficult, but let's just look and just see if we can find anything. And again, depending on your plan, you can only do a certain number of searches per day. I have multiple plans. One of them gives me 30, even though it's the same plan, but you can do depending on your plan. Panini football? I don't know. Oh, that's a card game. So there you go. If you wanted to do retail, Georgetown, Miami Heat. It looks like it's giving me some baby products in here from my past search. Colt beanie for men. SMU sweatshirt. So we're trying to look at different things we can see. The sports is a little bit more difficult. Let's go one more time and look in something like toys and games. And then we're going to do, this is going to be our last search, just so you can see. But the baby one did do pretty good. I think it had a lot of opportunity. And we could also look at different filters and kind of go from there. But this really does. Rum cube? Is this a Rubik's Cube? I've never heard of this, and they're making bank. So if you wanted, wow, there's only 2. This is it. Wow, they're making over 100,000 a month. I've never heard of that game. Korean. So if you wanted to launch a special Korean game, and people are, it's the one from Squid Games. So so very, very unique. This is hilarious. But it's making fake money. There's a lot of different things. This is actually pretty cool. I think there's a lot of competitors in this one. But do they have fake euros? Do they have fake, so you could have a lot of different areas. I didn't know they let you sell fake money. Ninjago. This might be a lot from Squid Games. No, this one's not from Squid Games. But again, a lot of different ideas here to get your creative juices flowing. And of course, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you, looking at all the tools that JungleScout offers. Now, they do have an academy that helps you sell and how to use all of their tools. This is for developers at JungleScout. They have an extension as well, and this is what I showed you briefly. Very, very powerful, very clean. One of my favorite extensions. Manage your products. So if you click on this, if it lets me up. So it has a listing builder to help you improve your listing, FBA reimbursements for lost shipments, inventory manager on when to reorder, and then product costs and settings. If you put your product costs in, it's going to kind of look at all of Amazon's fees that they're charging you, and it's going to then give you a profit breakdown on the profit overview tool, which is again one of my favorite tools at JungleScout. Profit and loss statement, other transactions, looking at your ads analytics. They have a review automation tool. And let's keep going. For optimizing your keywords, they have Keyword Scout, Keyword List, Keyword Rank Tracker, which again is a pretty solid tool. Suppliers, I haven't really tried this tool too much, but if you are looking at different suppliers, it does help you find suppliers. Product research, this is the tools that we were using, is Product Database, Product Opportunity Finder, Product Tracker, Category Trends, Sales Estimator, and now they're introducing AI. That's only for one of the premium plans. We don't use that yet, but they do have that as well. So there you go. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description. You can schedule a call very quickly. And our #1 service is our full A to Z account management service. We'll come in, we'll create a phase plan step by step to help you reach your goals, and we'll take over the entire account if you want us, so that way you can focus on working on your business instead of dealing with Amazon's daily BS. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.